welcome to our channel. This is Poppy for HeatSign. As you know, the color of the laser marking result is determined by the materials of product you are marking. But sometimes the results are not as good as you would like this. Like this. In fact, we can get bad marking results through some laser software parameters tuning. In some materials, such as stainless steel, can be marked with the black results. More beautiful. Let's see how to achieve the laser mark black.
How to use the software? First, open the software. Then, create the content you want and adjust the position. Infill the content. Set the line space 0.03 millimeters. Set the output power 90. Set the speed 100. Set frequency 25. Finally, click Apply. Stainless steel marking black. Ceramic bearing marking black. Metal bearing marking black.